Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Nikita here from Beauty Bumble, and today I am going to be talking about a DIY hair mask for lustrous and beautiful hair. So if you really want to know how I made this DIY hair mask, then let's jump to the video. Now let me tell you something about this mask. This requires a certain ingredients and they are as follows. So the first ingredient that we are going to take here is this Himalaya anti-hair fall cream. This is how it looks. We are going to take 1 spoon of this. So we're going to open this up and this is how it looks like. So once we have opened this up, we're going to take 1 spoon of it. So this is 1 spoon of this hair mask and we're going to put it into this. Next product is also from Himalaya and it is the protein hair cream. So this hair mask is rich in protein, rich in anti-hair fall. So it has all the properties of anti-hair fall and protein. So this will strengthen your hair and it will also give your hair a good nourishment. Also it will give you a good strength to your hair. So 1 spoon I'm taking is of this one now. So this is the Himalaya protein hair cream and this is how it looks like. I have opened it. There is a lid on top. I've removed the lid and this is the Himalaya protein hair cream now. Himalaya protein hair cream, and I'm taking 1 spoon out of this and we're going to put it into this. So once we have been done with this, we're going to close both of these hair creams. Now the next thing that I'm going to put is maybe it's not available in the same brand now, but you can definitely use it from some other brand, but this is very pure and very natural. So this is Dr. Jain's Jaswant Kesh Tel or Hibiscus hair oil. So it's a herbal product. There's no mixing in this. So we're going to put that into this. This will give a pink consistency to the cream, but don't worry. 1 tablespoon of hibiscus hair oil. 1 tablespoon, you can even put almond hair oil. It gives better results, but here right now I don't have almond hair oil. So 1 tablespoon I'm going to put of olive oil. So this is Sola's baby olive oil. This is like you can use it on your body, you can use it as a moisturizer. So we're going to put that. So here it goes. Okay, so there you go. Sometimes I also have a very dry scalp, so I'm going to use this Dove Intense Repair Mask. Now this is not available in India, but I had it, so instead of a conditioner I would put this intensive repair mask. It really makes your hair soft. So I'm going to put 1 spoon of that. So this is the 1 spoon of this Dove Intense Repair hair mask, which looks something like this. So I've just removed it from the packet and this is 1 tablespoon of this. Now since I have a little bit of itchy scalp, I'm going to put this MEDIKER hair oil. It doesn't smell good, but it really does the job good. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of MEDIKER hair oil. It's for mostly if you have lices in your hair. I don't have lices, but I have a little bit of dandruff and that gives relief for that as well. So now what we have to do is we have all the ingredients over here and we're just going to mix all of this up. So since this is a cream and that is oils, so oils don't mix well with the cream, but you have to really mix it well. So after continuously mixing, the consistency will look something like this. You can also add in some eggs or curd. Now I don't eat non-veg and I don't believe in putting eggs and killing somebody. I'm not going to put eggs, but these are all the ingredients. And see, it's more like a creamy consistency, and this is sufficient for my hair type. So I have hair which are like my shoulder length, like way below my arms. So I'm going to put it all across my length. So you have to note another point, that you have to put as least as possible on your scalp if you are having oily scalp, and if you're having dry scalp, then you can put it on your scalp. You can also use this like in leave-in conditioner on an everyday basis, where you don't have to use artificial serums. This is like a completely natural product. It's just oils and creams, and also Himalaya is a very herbal and natural company. If you did like this video and found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification for future videos.